Hello everyone and welcome to our grammar talk. And let me say hello Lysrun.
Yeah, hello, Jet.
Okay, so how are you today, Lysrun?
Yes, I am fine. And you?
Yes, I'm doing well. Thank you very much. Okay, so as normally we talk about the grammar point that we get the question from English learner. So we welcome all the question from learner and ask to listen that he is going to help explain. So for today's talk, we would like Lysrun to explain the differences between shoe and shoe. So Lysrun, can you help explain the differences between shoe and shoe? What are the differences between
Okay, so
these
for
two?
today's talk, you want me to explain the differences between shoe and a shoe.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
So let me start. Both shoe and a shoe. Shoe and a shoe are grammatically used with countable noun and they both refer to small quantity.
Yeah.
But they have different connotation. I mean, they are emotionally different.
Okay.
So if we translate in Khmer, both shoe and a shoe have the same meaning. We say tiệt túi ឬក៏ពីរបី
Yeah.
មែនទេបើយើងនិយាយជាភាសាខ្មែរ shoe ហើយនិង a shoe នោះវាអត់មានអីខុសគ្នាទេ
Yes.
ណាយើងបកទៅវាដូចគ្នា Anyway in English they both have a different connotation or they are emotionally different.
Okay.
អញ្ចឹងបើនិយាយជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសពាក្យ shoe ហើយនិង a shoe នេះគឺវាមានអត្ថន័យខុសគ្នាទៅលើ emotion អារម្មណ៍
Okay.
Okay តែបើបកគាត់ណាបកជាពាក្យមានន័យអត់ខុសគ្នាទេ shoe ហើយនិង a shoe តែបើយើងនិយាយអំពី connotation របស់វានិយាយពី emotion របស់វាគឺវាខុសគ្នាណាពីរហ្នឹងគឺខុសគ្នា
Okay. Can you give example?
shoe ពាក្យ shoe តទេណាអត់មានណាអត់មានទេគឺមានតែ shoe
Okay.
shoe តទេ shoe suggests an insufficient or smaller than desired quantity.
Okay.
ណាទីមួយ shoe ហ្នឹងគឺវាបង្ហាញពីចំនួនតិចតួចហ្នឹងចំនួនហ្នឹងគឺវាតិចជាងតម្រូវការតិចជាងអ្វីដែលយើងចង់បានគឺវាជាចំនួនដែលមិន not enough ឬក៏ insufficient ចំនួនតិចដែរហើយវាអត់គ្រប់គ្រាន់ទេហេចឹងបានន័យថាវាបង្កប់អត្ថន័យ negative អវិជ្ជមាននៅក្នុងហ្នឹងបានន័យថាវា shoe ហ្នឹងវា has negative or limiting tone វាមានអត្ថន័យនឹងអវិជ្ជមាននៅក្នុងនោះឧទាហរណ៍ថា few people attended the meeting.
Yeah.
Few people attended the meeting មានមនុស្សតិចតួចណាស់ដែលមកចូលរួមនៅក្នុងពិធីជប់លៀងនោះអញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុងនោះប្រយោគនោះមានន័យថា hardly anyone came to attend the meeting and the attendance of the people in the meeting were disappointing.
Okay.
គឺស្ទើរតែអត់មានមនុស្សមកចូលរួមហើយចំនួនមនុស្សដែលចូលរួមនោះគឺវាfewer than the number that we desire. Okay មានន័យថាចំនួនអ្នកចូលរួមនោះគឺធ្វើឲ្យយើង disappoint តែម្ដងមិនសប្បាយចិត្តនឹងចំនួននេះតែម្ដង because the number of people attended the meeting was less than what we have expected គឺវាមានចំនួនតិចជាងអ្វីដែលយើងរំពឹងទៅអ្វីដែលយើងចង់បានអានឹង few ចឹងចំនួនតិចដែរតែវាជាចំនួនមួយដែលវាអត់ sufficient ទេវា insufficient ណាគឺវាធ្វើឲ្យយើងនឹងមិនពេញចិត្តនៃចំនួនវាតិចជាងតម្រូវការ differently a few មានម្ដងណា a few suggest a small but sufficient or acceptable quantity ណា a few វាចំនួនតិចដូចគ្នាប៉ុន្តែចំនួននោះវាគ្រប់គ្រាន់ So you don't feel disappointed with the number of people or the number of things that you have ណាបើយើងប្រើពាក្យ few ចំនួនអ្វីមួយឬក៏ចំនួននរណាម្នាក់ចំនួនមនុស្សអីហ្នឹងដែលយើងមានហ្នឹងគឺយើងអត់ disappoint ជាមួយវាទេយើងអត់ខ្វល់អត់ព្រួយអត់ពិបាកចិត្តជាមួយវាទេណា You don't feel negative, you feel positive. Example, if we say a few people attended the meeting, a few people attended the meeting means that only some people, not many people, attended the meeting. But this may not be a problem. The number of people that attend the meeting, not a problem. It doesn't cause disappointment for you. The meeting still be able to be conducted normally. Okay, you don't feel disappointed about the number of people that attend the meeting if you say a few people attended the meeting. Another example, if I say I have a few friends, I have a few friends. That means I don't have many friends, but the number of friends that I have is enough. The number of friends that I have is sufficient. I don't feel lonely. I don't feel disappointed. I don't feel that I need some more friends. Okay, I have a few friends. Means the number of friends is enough for me, even though it is not many friends. But if I say I have few friends, I feel disappointed. I feel lonely. The number of friends that I have is insufficient, so I need some more friends. So this is the difference between few and few. So in short, few mean some, not many, and it is insufficient. It is not enough. A few means some, not many, but it is sufficient, it is enough, it is acceptable. Okay, so this is the differences between few and few, and I hope you understand. Jeff, any more questions?
That's very clear, Lysrun. Thank you very much for your explanation. But before ending today's talk, let me make a conclusion about what you have explained. You mean that few is both few and a few refer to a quantity, right?
Yeah,
refer
you
to
are right.
Quantity. But the difference is the connotation. That means they are emotionally different. Few mean the word few mean some, not many, but insufficient or not enough. It is less than the desired quantity. While a few means some, not many, but the number is sufficient or enough, right? So few has a negative meaning, while a few has a positive meaning. So this is the difference between few and few, right?
Yeah, you are right.
Okay, so that's all for today's talk. And if anybody has a question about English grammar, you can send your question to us and we will try to explain. We have Lysrun will be with us to help explain any grammar point that you want to know. So thank you very much for watching, and thank you, Lysrun.
Okay, so
goodbye, everyone.
Lysrun.